Now let me teach you exactly how I make $500 to $1,000 every single day just by posting on Instagram with just my smartphone. We have 5 steps to cover, but first, here are the first 2 steps. 1, creating a brand new Instagram account in a specific niche. Don't worry about this. Have left the list of the hot niches you should go for in 2025 in the free guide. Just click the link below to get it for free. 2, warming up the Instagram account to go viral as soon as possible. Now start by creating a brand new IG account. Why? Fresh accounts tend to perform better with Instagram's algorithm, especially when paired with consistent engagement. Choose a niche you're passionate about or where Canva can be naturally integrated. Some great options include 1, content creation tips, 2, small business hacks, 3, design tools and resources. Picking the right niche will help you attract followers who will truly benefit from your content and ultimately your link. Make sure your username, bio, and profile picture look professional and align with your niche. Have left the link to this free guide on where to choose your best niche, the profile to model. Why they works and everything you need to set up your profile in general, just grab it below. 2nd step, warm it up for 3 days. Before posting anything, spend the first 3 days warming up your account. Instagram loves when users engage authentically. So here's how to start building momentum. Follow accounts within your niche, both creators and small businesses. Like and comment on their posts with thoughtful messages. Avoid generic comments like "nice post" and aim to add value to the conversation. Reply to comments on those posts. This helps build relationships with people who might visit your profile. This warm-up period is critical for showing Instagram that your account is active and engaging. Bonus tip: while you're warming up your account, sign up for the Canva affiliate program. It's free to join, and once approved, you'll get your unique referral link. 3, once Canva approves your affiliate application, add the link to your Instagram bio. Write a strong call to action, CTA, that immediately grabs attention, such as, want to create stunning designs in minutes? Click here to get started. Upgrade your design game today. Tap the link below. Make sure the CTA highlights Canva's value while encouraging clicks. Pair this with a visually appealing bio that reinforces your niche expertise. 4, now find trending content in your niche. This is where the magic happens. Research trending posts and reels in your niche to find content ideas that resonate with your target audience. Use Instagram's Explore page, check out hashtags, and analyze successful posts from competitors. For Canva, focus on topics like how to create professional Instagram posts in 5 minutes using Canva. Canva templates every small business owner needs. Beginner-friendly Canva hacks to save time. Recreate these concepts with your own spin. Use Canva to design your visuals so you can showcase the platform's capabilities in action. Your goal is to provide quick, actionable tips that solve your audience's pain points while subtly driving them to try Canva through your link. 5, post consistently and drive traffic to your link. Consistency is key. Post at least 4 to 5 times a week to keep your account active and growing. Prioritize short, engaging reels with strong hooks that immediately grab attention. For example, want to level up your designs without hiring a pro? Watch this. This Canva hack will change how you create social media posts forever. At the end of every post, include a CTA like, click the link in my bio to start using Canva today. This keeps your audience engaged while nudging them toward your affiliate link. Why this works? By combining Instagram's algorithm with the Canva affiliate program, you're tapping into a proven system that rewards value-based content. The key is driving targeted traffic to your link by providing content that solves real problems. When people see how Canva can help them create beautiful designs with ease, they'll want to sign up, and you'll earn a commission every month for every referral. You don't need to be an expert or have a huge following to make this work. With just 2 hours a day, this strategy can help you build a thriving income stream. I have a free video training showing you how you can start this process step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Click the link below to watch the free training and start learning today. Don't forget to subscribe. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for even more strategies. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a game-changing tip. Let's build your Instagram income together. Also, check the link in the description on how to scale your business to 100K a month if possible.